In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced content in Notion. Synced content is a powerful way to keep a single source of truth across your workspace. Imagine having a block of text, a checklist, or even a small database that you want to repeat on multiple pages, but you only want to update it once. That's exactly what a synced block does. Every instance mirrors the others, so changes in one place instantly appear everywhere it's used. This is perfect for shared guidelines, recurring project notes, or reusable calls to action. Let's start from scratch. In any Notion page, type the /, then type synced, and choose synced block from the menu. Notion will create a bordered area with a small label, letting you know it's synced. Click inside that space and add whatever you need: plain text, task lists, toggles, or even a database. Treat it like any other block. Just remember it's now designed to stay consistent wherever it appears. If you adjust the wording, add a new item, or reorder a list inside this area, those changes will sync across all its instances. It's a simple setup that prevents version drift and saves you from copying updates manually. Now, if you already have content in place and want to start syncing it, you don't need to rebuild anything. Highlight the blocks you want to include. Hover to reveal the two-dot icon beside the selection. Click it to open the menu, and choose Turn Into. Then select Synced Block. Notion will wrap your existing content in that same bordered area, and from that moment on, it behaves just like the synced content you create from scratch. This is especially helpful when you realize a repeated section keeps showing up in different pages and you're tired of maintaining each one separately. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Keep synced sections focused and clearly labeled at the top so it's obvious what they're for. Because they're meant to be reused, avoid cramming unrelated information inside the same synced block. If you're collaborating with others, remember that workspace permissions still apply. People will see only what they're allowed to see on the page where the block appears. And when you're editing, look for the border and label so you know you're working inside a synced area. To recap, to create synced content from scratch, type the / command and pick synced block. Then add your content inside the border. To convert existing content, highlight it, open the menu with the two-dot icon, and choose Turn Into, then Synced Block. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.